By the Kenosha County judge limiting the lines of attack for prosecutors and at the upcoming trial of Kyle Rittenhouse.
Fox 6's Bill Miston joins us live. And Bill, the hearing today painting a much clearer picture of those plans.
Ben, prosecutors describing Rittenhouse as a chaos tourist who palled around with Proud Boys after the August 25th shooting and killing of Joseph Rosenbaum and Anthony Huber. Rittenhouse's defense not denying Rittenhouse pulled the trigger, but that this is a pure case of self-defense and nothing else. Kyle Rittenhouse back in court as his attorneys and prosecutors sought for a judge to allow evidence ahead of his trial, including videos of Rittenhouse and photos of the teen posing with Proud Boys in January.
The defendant is essentially a teenage vigilante, involving himself in things that don't concern him.
One video of a fist fight in June.
It adds nothing to the case as it relates to his state of mind 2.5 months later.
Judge Bruce Schrader denying the state's request on that video, but not outright denying the photos. If prosecutors can prove Rittenhouse had ties to the group at the time of the August 25th shooting that killed Anthony Huber and Joseph Rosenbaum. Schrader denying the defense's motion to admit Rosenbaum's prior felony conviction. Rittenhouse charged with a number of counts, including first-degree intentional homicide and first-degree reckless homicide.
This is a continuing motivation here.
Prosecutors also wanting to admit video taken weeks prior to the shooting of Rittenhouse, talking about wanting to shoot CVS customers with his rifle because he thought they were shoplifting.
In this instance, it's words on August 10th, and on August 25th, it is not debatable that there's violence.
The events are so totally dissimilar.
Schrader withholding a final decision on that video, but leaning towards denial. Schrader not denying the high-profile nature of the case and public opinion about it, but that the trial will be carried by the facts and the law.
This is not a political trial. It's not going to be a political trial.
Now, another motions hearing is scheduled for next month. Schrader saying today that he expects to impanel a very large pool of potential jurors because of the high-profile nature of this case, saying that number could be upwards of 150 people, and jury selection is scheduled for November 1st. Reporting in Kenosha, Bill Miston, Fox 6 News.
All right, Bill, thank you.